अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We start our lesson for today. For last 2 weeks, we are learning about the food and the drinks. Fil mat'ami, at the restaurant. At the restaurant. Amilul mat'ami. Amil mean worker. Amil, worker. Amilul mat'ami, restaurant worker. The restaurant worker. Tafaddal, hazihi qaimatut ta'ami. Tafaddal, take. Please take. Please. Please take. Tafaddal, please take. Hazihi qaimatut ta'ami. This is food menu. Food menu. Please take. This is the food menu. Or we can say, please take the food menu. Daud. Maza ta'kul ya Mahmud? Oh Mahmud, what you will eat? What you eat or what you will eat? So this is fail madare. So according to this sentence, we translate it. Either it is a present or future. Maza ta'kulu ya Mahmud? Mahmud, what you will eat? Akulu dajjaj al-mashwiya? I will eat the grilled fish. Dajjaj al-mashwiya, grilled fish. Grilled chicken, sorry. I will eat the grilled chicken. I will eat the grilled chicken mal urzi with rice. Mal urzi with rice. Was salatati with and salad. I will eat the grilled chicken with rice and salad. Wa anta madha ta'kulu ya Daud? And oh Daud, what do you eat? And oh Daud, what do you eat? So we can translate it, oh and oh Daud, what do you eat? Or oh Daud, what you will eat? Akulu samakal maqaliya. I will eat the fried fish. I will eat the fried fish ma'al khubzi with bread was salatati and salad. I will eat the fried maqaliya, fried.
Ustaz tak ada suara, Ustaz.
Oke, sekarang ada?
Ada.
Oke.
Okey,
Sudah
semula
lama.
Ustaz. Ya, Ustaz sambung balik akulu samakah.
Oke. Akulu samakal makliya. I will eat the fried fish. Oh, fried fish. Samakal makliya, fried fish. Mal khubzi, with bread was salatati and salad. I will eat the fried fish with bread and salad. Khubzi, bread. Salad. Salatata, salad. Hasanan, okay, fine. Wal hasau and soup. Wal hasau and soup. So the worker asking what you will take in the soup, what you will drink, what you will eat in the soup. So he simply asked and soup. Wal hasau and soup. Ana ufaddilu hasa al khadrawati. I prefer vegetable soup. I prefer vegetable soup. Wa ana ufaddilu hasa al-lahmi. And I prefer the meat soup. Hasa al-lahmi, meat soup. Wal asira and juice. Wal asira and juice. Asira asira juice. Mahmud ashrabu asiral burtukali. Orange juice. Burtukali, orange. I will drink the orange juice. Asiral burtukali, orange juice. I drink the orange juice, or I will drink the orange juice. Wana ashrabu asiral laimuni. And I drink the lemon juice. Asiral laimuni, lemon juice. وماذا تشرب بعد الأكل? And what you will drink after the eat? وماذا تشرب بعد الأكل? And what you will drink after the eat? بعد الأكل, after eat. تشرب الشاي? Will you drink the tea? milk kahwa or coffee? Will you drink the tea or coffee? Ashrabu shaya. I drink the coffee. I drink the tea. Ashrabu shaya. I drink. Wana ashrabul qahwa, and I drink the coffee. Tafaddal, tafaddal, take. Please take. هذا هو الدجاج المشوي والأرز والسلطة. This is grilled chicken, rice and salad. Please take. This is that grilled chicken, rice and salad. هذا هو. This is that. This is that grilled chicken, rice and salad. وهذا هو السمك المقلي, and this is that fried fish. والخبز and bread. والسلطة and salad. وهذا هو الحساء, and this is the soup. This is the soup. This is that soup. أريد أن أغسل يدي. أريد أن I want. أن to. I want to wash my hand. أغسل I wash. يدي my hands. I want to wash my hands. My hands. أين المغسلة? مغسلة wash basin. أين المغسلة? Where is the wash basin? المغسلة هناك عن اليمين. The wash basin is there on right. عن اليمين, on right. هناك there. The wash basin is there on right. So, any of you want to ask any meaning, any sentence that you want, I make it more clear. You don't understand, or you have any confusion? Any of you?